Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. We're heading off to a junkyard to test out a new product we have. It's called Instant Headlight Restorer. It'll actually restore your headlights into like new condition in a matter of seconds. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna head out there now and we'll show you what this does. Brian from Garage Mahal, be safe out there. See you in a bit. Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we got Instant Headlight Restorer. If you got dingy yellow headlights, I got a two-step process. One, a restoration wipe. That's step one. Make sure you wear gloves. And then step two, is a protectant. How's that for instant headlight restoration? All right, Brian from Garage Mahal, be safe out there. Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have Instant Headlight Restorer, a product that we have been working on for a while and finally got it perfected. Two-step process. Make sure you wear gloves while you're doing this. But the first part is the lens restoration. And then the second part is basically going to be like the sealer. And there we go. Almost like new. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, be safe out there. Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal, new product, Instant Headlight Restorer. And it's a two-step process. This is step one. Always make sure you wear gloves. So that's step one. Then we got step two, which is basically kind of like a sealer and protectant. And almost like new condition. I'll show you this one on this side. There you go. Brian from Garage Mahal, be safe out there. Brian from Garage Mahal, just doing a bunch of examples of how this product works so fast. It's my Instant Headlight Restorer. Step one, make sure you're wearing gloves. And this will take all the oxidized gunk off. You'll see that. And then step two is a protectant and a sealer. There you go. Alright, move over this one. I think this one's even worse. But that's the before. Then a protectant and sealant. There you go. Instant Headlight Restoration. Brian Garage Mall, thanks for watching. My two-step process, step 1 to step 2 for instant headlight restoration. So this is step 1. Make sure you're always wearing gloves. Got that. Step 1. Step 2. Alright, let's move over to this side. Got some built up dirt and scratches on this one. Alright, so that's step 1. And then step 2. Alright. Brian from Garage Mall, be safe out there. Hey, Brian from Garage Mall again. This is the kit that I'm going to send you, and you'll get a set of instructions on the outer envelope, and then on the inside you'll have your basic step 1 with a set of instructions. You're going to get a pair of safety gloves, and then you're going to have your step 2. So just follow my video and you'll have your headlights basically instantly restored like new. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching. Be safe out there.